Hello everyone, Erica Rock, Spiritual Catalyst. Today to share sacred space with you and share a profound decree for transformation and ascension. So come get still, come sit with me. I feel like I'm crooked. Come get still, come sit with me, and let us ask, pray, and intend to invoke a portal of divine grace in our space, creating a sacred and holy container sanctified by the divine light. May we be blessed, resurrected in the image and likeness of the infinite creator. May we claim our divine sovereignty as we declare these words aloud. So I'm going to speak this decree, and I encourage you to speak it aloud with me. So before we get started, I just want you to notice, pay attention to how you feel. Feel the sensations within your body. Note what's going on in the mind, perhaps what beliefs or stories or things are coming through. Just notice. Notice if you feel any density or heaviness, pain, constriction within your physicality. Notice how you feel emotionally. And just notice overall your energy. Just take a notice so that you can see a clear before we speak this decree and after we speak this decree. So let's just pause to go inward and to just feel and observe and witness what is going on physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, energetically. And as you notice that, let's set intentions that as we speak these words aloud, we're stepping into our sovereignty. We're stepping into a new level of freedom, of liberation, of empowerment, of trust, of truth, of grace, of love, and any other intentions you want to add to this field of resonance, intend them now. So every word is like a code. Every word has a certain vibrational frequency. So as we speak these words aloud, notice what you notice. And let's see what you feel at the end of this. So let us begin. In this sacred, perfect now moment, we declare with all the power of our will and spirit, the old chains of limitation, the burdens of yesterday, and the illusions of division and lack are forever lifted from our path. We cast them aside, no longer to hinder, weigh down, or diminish our journey forward. We now move forth with unparalleled speed and unwavering purpose, propelled by the light of truth, freedom, and abundance. The shadows of the past dissolve, releasing all their hold as we turn the page to a new chapter, untouched by what once was. We enter this golden dawn with our hearts open, our spirits ignited, and our minds free of doubt. As we walk this path, we are emboldened by wisdom gained, but no longer bound by the limitations of former times. We are fortified by resilience and guided by a vision that transcends all veils, seeing the boundless potential that awaits us. With every step, we pave the way to a future that is vibrant, prosperous, and alive with possibility. We walk in unity, weaving together strength and harmony, creating a foundation of abundance and peace. This future is not a distant hope, but a reality now in motion, vibrant, undeniable, and ours by birthright. We are one with this creation, woven into the very fabric of our ascension, declaring that the era of struggle is now transformed into an age of prosperity. As we move forward, we carry the torch of truth, illuminating the path for all who seek freedom. In this new era, we affirm that joy, integrity, and love are our enduring companions, lighting the way to the fulfillment of our highest potential. Every word we speak and every act we commit in this era through time, grounding this transformation deeply and irrevocably in our world. In this decree, we are not only moving forward, we are leaping beyond, breaking barriers, manifesting the golden age that awaits our embrace. We are the builders of this radiant world. And as we step forward, we leave only light, prosperity, love, and unity in our wake. So it is spoken, so it is forged, so mote it be. Breathe that in. See and notice how it feels as we set powerful forces into motion through this decree that we speak aloud. So for those who jumped on, go back to the beginning. You'll want to speak this aloud with me. And notice how it feels in your body. Notice how it feels in your mind, in your energy, in your heart. For when I spoke it, when I speak this aloud, it's like my soul is singing, hell yes, or heaven yes. That's a better way to say it, heaven yes. Like it's time, it's time. It's been a long time coming, and I know that you feel that. Something's so been stirring, and with everything that's going on, it's time that we declare what we want, to align with it, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. It's time to walk the talk and be it and shine it and share it. So I would love to hear how this feels as you speak it, how it feels to be in this energy that's opening, leading, guiding, directing us into a beautiful future. So don't lose hope. Blow away any doubt. Rise up and integrate this and be this and radiate this and inspire others through your being. So thank you so much for connecting in today. I see so many people have jumped on. I hope that this lit you up. If you know of someone that could use this energetic uplift, please share it with them. I always appreciate that. So until next time, all of my love, take care, be good to yourself, and be good to each other.